My son Arturo has come a long way. The maturity level that when he first started here a couple of years ago till now, he's become more mature on what he does and how he succeeds, and Great Dane has given him that ability. And it's pretty exciting when he comes home or I'm at work and I receive a picture that he sends me of a job after he's completed it, and to me that's very rewarding. I always knew that he was just the person that wasn't going to sit in an office. He was going to be somebody that works with his hands, and I guess he's following the trade as my dad as well.
Very proud. He come a long way. He changed a lot, like night and day.
My advice for parents would be to look at the big picture and see how they learn best. Growing up, we've never been a family of education, like in books and everything. My father was a welder, and he showed us everything, how to survive with your hands. All parents want for their kids is nothing but success. To be able to know that I'm here today and gone tomorrow, that I will still know that he will still achieve in life and be able to be successful. And Great Dane has given him that opportunity to learn.